kind of creeping up into my butt and eventually into my back. Those are all great exercises. That means that we're building the right way. And sometimes this is at the sake of more pain in your back.
Aso khabete la he kuma
A mí me letra, se tenga atención. Mi que te ni pone no lui le la mi
So
fai.
I would like to demonstrate some of these exercises.
Oh,
She's
pone
going
le dama
to
te la ta ta ni
I'm
pone
going
le
to explain
ma
what
ci
we're
da.
doing. And so
ame no le tengo ha
actually
no le te tha tia
and so here is, I mean, a simple idea. Here's the first step. Now, if this is too difficult, again, the idea is that we're going to get out of this bending forward position, and we're going to eventually get into this bending backwards position. Now, if this causes too much pain in your back, what you can do is you can take a pillow and then you come up here. There we go. And just kind of place that underneath your hips. You'll see that her back is still arched. It's still kind of coming backwards the right way. But this pillow, if it's too intense for you to just flat out your stomach, a pillow underneath your hips can help that out. Now, this is in cases of really severe back pain. Again, if laying just flat on your stomach is too intense, underneath the pillow, and then we